Tonight here at News 5 at 10, we're taking a closer look at the issue of panic defense. News 5's Colette Bordelon tells us how exactly that tactic could be used and why the bill and those behind the bill say there needs to be a federal change on the books.
With the signature, Governor Jared Polis bans a type of argument from Colorado courtrooms.
I think about myself as a young LGBTQ person growing up in rural Colorado.
It's why Daniel Ramos of One Colorado met us outside the state capitol.
Something that my mother and my father always thought about was, would Matthew's story be my story? Was it safe for me to leave the house?
He's talking about Matthew Shepard, the gay University of Wyoming student who died after being brutally beaten more than 20 years ago, where one of his killers used a gay panic defense in court.
People could use a panic defense to say that that my sexual orientation or my gender identity had something to do with why I was attacked.
Senate Bill 221 says these kinds of justifications for violent actions appeal to irrational fears and hatred and say that legally sanctioned discrimination against sexual orientation or gender identity must end.
You can always defend yourself from someone's words or someone's actions. You can always defend yourself from a sexual assault. What you can't do is say that you were reasonably afraid of someone simply because of the fact of who they love or who they are.
Amanda Gall from the Colorado District Attorney's Council helped write the bill.
Colorado is working hard to be on the right side of history.
Throughout the country so far, there have been 10 states that banned gay or trans panic defenses. Colorado is the 11th. The American Bar Association urged governments to get rid of this tactic back in 2013.
This bill is going to make it possible to have safer and healthier communities for all in Colorado.
And here in Colorado Springs,
we are a part of that transformative process.
Lead minister at the First Congregational Church, Donald Longbottom, says the gay or trans panic defense tactic is a reflection of homophobia.
It's a small piece of what's a much larger tidal surge.
And hopefully a federal ban on the gay and trans panic defense will be in our future.
Our Colette Bordelon reporting for us. Now, the Colorado District Attorney's Office also tells us there were over 100 crimes filed against victims because of their sexual orientation or gender from 2014 to 2018 in Colorado. They think that's an underreported number, but say it shows that this kind of discrimination exists in our state.